Hello 8th graders, welcome back to our math class. Okay, today we are continue to talk about simplifying expressions and solving equations. And we have already learned about some rules about expressions, and we have already talked about collecting like terms. Today we are going to solve some exercise questions. Let's start from the first question. We will rewrite these expressions using our guidelines. Okay? If you don't remember the guidelines, please check our previous lesson one more time. Okay. Our first question is like that. 8 times n. Okay? If we follow our rules, our guidelines, we can write this one as a 8n in simple form, right? Okay? We can write this one as a 8n. And the second one, 4 plus m. Please remember that we write the letter terms first and after that number terms, if we follow the guidelines. So in here we can write as a m plus 4. And the next one, h8. Remember that firstly we write the number and then the letter 8h. And the next one, p times 2 plus m6. How can we write this one? We can write this one as a 2p plus 6m. Okay? P times 2, we can write this one as a 2p, and m6 we write as a 6m. So it will become 2p plus 6m. Is there any other rule in here? Which letter is first, p or m? M is coming before p in alphabet, so we will write this one as a 6m plus 2p. Okay? And the next exercise about simplifying expressions. For this one, let's remember about collecting like terms. As I told before, like terms are including same letter or sometimes only constant number, not including any letter. Okay? For that kind of terms, we are calling like terms. For example, let's find the like terms in here. First term is including x, second one also including x, and third one also same. All these are including x. So we can say these three terms are like terms. Okay? So we can write this one as a, in simple form, 6x plus 4x is 10x plus 3x, 13x. Okay? It is just in simple form. And the next one, let's find the like terms for this one. 2a including a, 6a, it's also including a. So 2a and 6a, these are like terms. Okay? The next one, 4b and 3b, both including b. So we will say that 4b and 3b, these are like terms. 2a plus 6a is 8a. 4b minus 3b is b. So 8a plus b in simple form. Number 3. Let's find like terms. This is including CD and this is also including CD. So these two terms are like terms. And the next one, this is including DE and this term also including DE. So these two terms are like terms. Let's simplify this one. 3CD plus 7DC. This is DC, but in alphabetical order, we need to write this one as a 7CD. So 3CD plus 7CD, 10CD. 10CD. Continue. 4DE minus 2DE plus 2DE. Okay? Let's check is it in simple form or not. C is coming before from D, C first, C, D, and this is D, E. So it is in simple form. And the next example about this one. Let's find the like terms for x square in here. This is including x square. Another term including x square, 3x square. So these are like terms. We can say that 3 plus 4 is 7x square. X square is common term for both. And then continue 8x minus 2x. 8x minus 2x is 6x. So plus 6x. 7x square plus 6x. Okay, it's already in simple form. And our next topic is this one, expanding brackets. Okay, what's the meaning of expanding brackets? To expand brackets or multiplying out brackets. Okay, both same thing. To expand brackets, or we can say multiplying out brackets. Okay, these are same thing. What will we do to expand brackets? It's written in here, multiply each term inside the brackets, by the term outside the brackets. For example, multiply each term inside the brackets. These are terms inside the brackets, x and 6, right? Multiply each term inside the brackets by the term outside the bracket. The term outside the bracket is 4 in here. So, we will multiply each x and 6 by 4 for this question. Okay, we will multiply both by 4. So, it will be 4 times x is 4x, 4 times 6 is 24. So, it becomes 4x plus 24. And the next one, we will multiply each term inside the brackets by the term outside the bracket. The term outside the bracket is 5 in here. So, we will multiply these by 5. Let's continue. 5 times 8 is 40. And now this is important. The signs are important, positive or negative sign. 5 times negative b. Okay, 5 times negative b, negative 5b. And the next one, number 3. We will multiply both x and 3 by 2 in here. And for the next one, 3, we will multiply x and 4 by 3. Let's continue. 2 times x is 2x plus 2 times 3 is 6. And then the next one, 3 times x, 3x, 3 times 4 is 12. Is there any like term in here? Is it in simple form? No, right? Still we can simplify this one. Let's find the like terms in here. This is including x and this one also including x. And the next one, this is only constant number. There is no any variable for this one. And this one also like that. So let's collect the like terms. 2x plus 3x is 5x. The next one, 6 plus 12 is 18. So now it's in simple form. And our last question about this topic. We will multiply 5a and 3b by 3 because the term outside the brackets is 3. And for the next one, we will multiply 3a and negative 5b by negative 2. Okay? This is very important. We will multiply by negative 2. Okay? Because the term outside the bracket is negative 2 in here. Be careful about this one. So let's start. 3 times 5b, 3 times 5a, 15a. 3 times 3b, 9b. And then This part is important. Negative 2 times 3a. It is negative 6a. And negative 2 times negative 5b. Negative times negative is positive, as you know. So negative 2 times negative 5b is positive 10b. Okay. Let's check, is there any like terms in here? What do you think about that one? This is including A and including A. And the next one, including B, including B. So still, we can simplify this one. 15A minus 6A is 9A. 9B plus 10B is 19B. Okay, A is first in the first term and B is in the second term. So that's all. Okay, we have already solved this question. We can write this expression in simple form like that. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you very much for listening me. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.